Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about subplot. Let's see what is it. To display multiple plots with the subplots of function, you can draw the multiple plots in one figure. So it will help you to create multiple plots in a single graph. Okay. So how we can do that? So subplot function takes three arguments that describe the layout of the figure. First one is row and column. So it will always organized in the row and column, which represent by the first and the second argument. Okay. So the second one, what we need to do is once you decided the row and column, you have to decide the points. After that, you have to match that point. So that is how it is going to work. So here the plot number 1 is already mentioned. These are the few points I have mentioned here. Okay. After that, you have to plot these points in your graph. Okay. You can just pause this video and write it on your notebook, or you can also copy it. So after that, you will be able to take it. So on screen, you can see that we have created the two graphs, okay, with the help of the plots that we need to mention. So that is how it is going to create it. If I'm going to change any value here, it will automatically change according to that. Fine. So let me just mention it. If I'm going to reload it, so it will come according to the changes I have taken. So it will come in the horizontal and the vertical form. No issues with that. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.